In this tutorial video, you will learn how to create a user map. Click on Create a New Map option on the My Maps button in the Data menu. Please note that in order to open the panel, there must be at least one file saved in the system on the map. In the panel that opens, the title of the map to be created, the definition of the map, the center coordinates, the zoom level, the angle of rotation, some features that can be added, the map library and the system layers to be included in the map should be determined. It is then selected whether this map is accessible to everyone and whether it will be shared on the GISLayer site. With the Save button, a user map is created. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.